Is it necessary to buy an expensive hairdryer? This is the height scale blown by an ordinary hairdryer. These are the height scales blown by the high-speed hairdryer. Why is there such a big difference? We tested it. What about the high-speed hairdryer? It dries the hair with faster wind speed. And what about a normal hairdryer? It dries hair by increasing the temperature. So why is your hairdryer hot? Because the temperature is too high. Blowing on the scalp, again. What about the edges of the hairy scales? Both warping and baldness have occurred. At this time, then use a comb to comb, more likely to cause dryness and frizz, even hair loss. So just stay away. Not necessarily an ordinary hairdryer. It has a finite number of points. After you left, it may not dry for half a day. Very bad, we found it after testing. In 1 minute. High-speed hairdryer, the number of grams of evaporated water is more than 4 grams. And what about a normal hairdryer? Only one is close to 4 grams. So what about the speed and comfort of blow drying? High-speed hairdryers are sure to win. Friends with enough budget can rush. However, if there are elderly people in your family, have pets, or have a roommate who is sensitive to noise, I don't recommend buying it. According to the results of the noise test, the maximum noise frequency of a high-speed hairdryer, it goes up to 25,000 Hz, like the sound of this henna blackboard. What about a very harsh and ordinary hairdryer, usually 5 to 4,000 Hz? So, relatively speaking, it is not easy to disturb others to rest. It is not easy to scare the kittens and puppies at home, but these are really cheap hairdryers. Really don't recommend buying it. Do we use plastic wrap? Block the trend of this hairdryer. The one above is more than $10. Fire broke out in less than a minute, and the following 99 yuan. If the temperature is too high, the power will be automatically cut off based on the above evaluation results. These for high-speed hairdryers. The picture shows the true ordinary hairdryers. The picture shows, of course. What about the friend who bought an ordinary hairdryer? Don't be too anxious. What about washing your hair? Can you use some hair care products to protect the hair scales? What about when you blow your hair? You can use a low-temperature gear with an air cushion comb to take care of your hair. Can reduce damage. It is through these safety tests and dozens or hundreds of sets of data validation we can stand up straight. And let me tell you about those measurements. Because practice doesn't lie. Actual measurement is responsible.